One of the key things that I always find laughter in is children. Whenever I'm around children, they've always got something to laugh. You know, there's something that they say, something that they do. They have just different perspectives on the world. They have a different perspective on life and experiencing what's happening in the moment. They're really showing us how to look at something fresh because they're looking at everything fresh and new. It's a really helpful reminder to continually, and I'd encourage people to get in that space with children all the time, to give them, you know, freedom to explore and to experiment and to be children, because a lot of the times I think we approach children with trying to get them to fit in or trying to put what we've learnt on top of that, and we miss that to sit in that space with them to learn from them. Just the other day, like, my eldest daughter brought up to me a picture. And I'm quite heavy into my art, and she had heard me talking about how art is such a really strong gateway to self-expression. It's a way to express yourself. Primarily, that's what it is. It's not about the end product. It's another form of communication. And so she came running up to me with this artwork that she had done, you know, all really hardly coloured and stuff like that. And she's like, "Dad, look at this. I didn't draw anything. I just felt it. I just felt." And you know, she said, and she pointed out these things like, "Look here, where I ripped through the paper," and you know, and she just had this whole experience that she was discovering of how she could express herself into this space, not in any formal shape. And it was just this really cool, like, little space that I was just like, man, that's just so amazing that she can. I haven't even been talking to her. She's overheard different things, but then she's captured that and she's been able to express that through her own expression and experience.